Everything. Got my stuff here. Now these are really cute. I want to actually purchase some of these and stack them on top of each other. This is cute too. Tabletop decor. So from the beginning of this vlog, I previously recorded these video clips towards the end of August. I've been trying to record with my iPhone 5, but it has battery problems, so that's why these clips at the beginning of this vlog are so old. But here we go to the current. Good morning. Oops, no. It's good afternoon to y'all and to me, okay? Where can I begin? I've been at home all day. I need to clean up my little small office space in my room. I think I'm gonna vlog today doing that, but I do need to run to the store. And I'm trying to think of what I'm gonna make for dinner tonight. Maybe I'll do chicken and rice with vegetables. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing that. Go to the store. I wanted to share with y'all my antique wall art. I just went ahead and added all my little antique-ish photos and things like that to this wall to make it like a museum-like. I would show you the room. We not gonna go there. My little office, little station in my room / guest bedroom is a hot mess. I need to show y'all this, but this iPhone needs to charge, and I will be using my iPhone 5 filming this vlog because the camera quality is just a little better than my Motorola right now. And I need to get this iPhone fixed, but I cannot find any repair shop that can replace the battery in this iPhone. If I can find somebody to replace the battery in this iPhone, this will be my vlogging camera for good. Maybe I should make a vlog shopping around and get this iPhone fixed. Maybe I'll do that in the future. That way, I don't have to worry about buying a camera. Anywho, so I'm about to sit for a little bit. I need to figure some things out. I did make a shopping list to take with me when I go to the store. So thumbs up to that. I'm gonna turn y'all off because I gotta get to work and work on this tablet, and I will talk to y'all in a little bit. Hate to cut y'all short. Okay, so instead of me making the coffee, I think I'm gonna do like a iced tea. Yes, yes, yes. Ice chocolate. Grab my cup. Girl, so excited. So excited. Yes. And yeah, some tea even sounds better. Tomorrow, I think I'll make some coffee. I like to pick my days. Tea bag up in there. Some cold water. It's not the prettiest, but you know. Let that sit for a little bit in my cute cup. I wanted to sip it. I was on to make a tea. Hello. Let me show y'all my outfit of the day. Cute. Little slides on. Just something comfortable. Picked up Subway for dinner tonight. Oh my God. My purse. I wore this purse, y'all. And I'm thinking there's a little animal in my house or something, the way it was swinging when I swung this chair. I'm such a chicken. Okay. Whoop. Trying to figure out